Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the luminance values with the tonal contrast tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. After that, we need to select an image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. Then we need to select our preferred image. Afterwards, we are going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen, and then Total Contrast. Here we can adjust 5 values. First one is High Tones, which will adjust the highlights of this image. Next up is Medium Tones, which will adjust the middle tones. The third one is Low Tones, which will change the lower values of the image. The third one is the Protect Shadows tool, which will change how much the shadows are affected by these changes. And the last one is Protect Highlights. It's pretty much the same as the fourth one, but it will change the highlights instead of the shadows. If you want to compare it to the original photo, we can click on the icon on the upper right corner, like so. If we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon, right here, or we can apply those changes to our image with the check mark. We are going to apply them. After that, if we want to save our image, we need to click on Export. It's going to show us 4 options: Share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform; Save, which will save our image; Export, which will also save our image, but it will adjust the image to what we set it on in the settings menu; and Export As will save our image to our preferred folder. We're going to click on Save. And then if we want to check it out, we are going to click on View. We are going to select Gallery. And here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.